So how can you use the Microsoft Teams app in the Android mobile version? And so let me show you exactly how it can be used. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So you essentially have two options on how you can approach this. You download the app from the Play Store, just like always, or with other apps. But when you open it up, you have two options. You can either set up a new account or continue with your phone number or email. The whole point is that you set up or sign in into the app, and then you will have the ability to use it normally, right? But if you only want to use it temporarily or for one or a few meetings, you don't technically even have to set up a new account or sign in with any emails, because what you have the ability to do is to click on a join the meeting button. This lets you type in the meeting ID as well as passcode. So if somebody else asks you to join a Teams meeting, you don't have to go through the setup process. You just type in the information that they share with you and join a temporary meeting, and then perhaps you delete the app or do whatever. But as I say, the other option is to proceed with your email. So if you have an existing Microsoft account, you can sign in with that one or set up a new one. And then the app is going to turn into this. Like, it's going to look a little bit different, where all of the history of calls is going to be stored. But most importantly, you have the ability to create your own meeting, right? Because without the account, you can only join someone else's meeting. But with your own account, you can create your own meetings too. So that would be, like, I would say, the biggest difference. But this is how you can use the Teams app in Android mobile. If you need a little bit more of like in-depth explanation of how it works, let me know about that below in the comments. It's possible I'll make more videos about it in the future. For now, that's going to be about it, and I'll see you later.